Okay, this is what you're gonna see once you first get the Fire Stick going. Normally, Cody should be right here. Can't really see it because of the lighting. There. Or there. But since you haven't really used it at all, you go to settings. Click on settings. You go to the right to applications. You go all the way down to manage installed applications. And to Kodi. And you launch application. Then you go to video, add-ons. The first one, Castaway, is for live sports. C-Cloud is for live cable. Exodus is one of the main ones for movies and TV shows in English. And this one's for movies and shows in Spanish. And Sports Devils for also for live sports. So you go on Exodus. First you gotta learn Exodus. Once you get used to Exodus, the rest will be easy to figure out. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy. New Star Wars and everything. Star Wars, a new one. Just finding providers. Takes a little bit. So you click on the first one. So if the first one don't work, it'll automatically skip itself to the second one. You see. You can use that one. You can let it load, but you can just cancel it and it'll skip on to the next one. There you go.